draw your attention to standing order number 51. That to discuss somebody who does not sit in the National Assembly, there must be a substantive motion. It requires that a member delivers a written, signed motion approved by Speaker before it is placed on order paper for debate. For 5 times, umekubalia bunge kuongea juu yangu without a substantive motion. You have let the National Assembly down. You are the Speaker of the National Assembly, not a youth winger for UDA. Wewe, if Kimani Ichung'wah wants to discuss me, let him move a substantive motion in accordance with order, starting order number 51. Kaate guo. Matida makijareria kuutade kiheke yao. Na leo ule speaker ule ni wakili na ndarumagira watho na ni akwenda akirumirira watho kaate guo. Ndirenda kumuonia itungati cia ruriri